Windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. If you're a homeowner in Coppell, TX, you know that the Texas heat, seasonal storms, and aging materials can all take a toll on your home's windows over time. While regular maintenance can extend their life, there comes a point when window replacement is not just a good idea, but a necessary investment. If you're unsure whether your windows need replacing, here are the top signs to look for that indicate it may be time for an upgrade. You feel drafts or notice uneven temperatures. If your home feels colder near windows during winter or warmer in summer despite a functioning HVAC system, drafts could be the culprit. This is a clear sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Over time, weather stripping can wear out, frames can warp, and the glass may no longer insulate like it once did. In Coppell's fluctuating climate, this can lead to higher energy bills and uncomfortable living spaces. Rising energy bills. Have you noticed your heating and cooling costs creeping up month after month? Your old windows might be to blame. Windows that lack proper insulation or are made with outdated single-pane glass allow too much heat to escape in the winter and enter during summer. Energy-efficient replacement windows, especially those with low E coatings and double or triple pane glass, can significantly reduce your energy usage, making your home more comfortable and saving you money year-round. Condensation between glass panes. If you see fog or condensation trapped between the panes of a double or triple pane window, this means the insulated seal has failed. Once this happens, your window is no longer performing as it should. Not only does it affect visibility, but it also compromises the window's insulating properties. In Coppell's humid seasons, failed seals can also lead to moisture damage around the window frame, inviting mold, mildew, or even rot. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should glide open and shut easily and lock securely. If they're jammed, hard to open, or don't close completely, it could mean the frame has warped or the window is no longer aligned properly. This isn't just inconvenient, it's also a safety risk. A window that won't lock leaves your home vulnerable to intruders, and one that won't open easily can become a hazard during emergencies like fires. Visible damage or rot. Peeling paint, soft wood, water stains, or cracked glass are all red flags. Over time, exposure to moisture and sun can break down materials, especially in older wood-framed windows. In areas like Coppell, where storms and UV exposure are common, this kind of wear can accelerate. If your windows show signs of deterioration, it's time to replace them before the damage spreads to surrounding walls or interiors. Lack of noise reduction. Coppell is a bustling suburban area, and street noise, neighbors, or nearby construction can easily creep into your home through old windows. Modern replacement windows are designed not only for insulation but also for soundproofing. If you're hearing more outdoor noise than you'd like, upgrading your windows can help restore your peace and quiet. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, windows simply look worn out or don't match your home's aesthetic anymore. Cracked frames, foggy glass, or mismatched designs can lower your property's curb appeal and value. New windows instantly update your home's appearance and can make it more attractive to buyers if you're considering selling. Final thoughts. If you've noticed one or more of these signs in your Coppell home, it's time to consider window replacement. Not only will new windows enhance comfort and security, but they'll also boost your home's efficiency and style. Investing in modern, energy-efficient windows today means long-term savings, increased property value, and greater everyday satisfaction. Ready to upgrade your windows? Reach out to a trusted Coppell window replacement expert to explore your best options and schedule a consultation.